I'm Martha Sear, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and the Director of K-12 Outreach at WPI. I'm here at NIPRO in Clinton, Massachusetts to talk about Mass-TEC, an innovative project being led by Quinsigamond Community College, which focuses on providing the public with a new understanding about today's manufacturing. What do you think of when you think of manufacturing? Do you picture dirty workplaces, smokestacks, heavy labor? That's not what today's manufacturing is like in central Massachusetts. And with the help of some guests today, we're going to learn more about how exciting this career can be. Navjeet, if there are middle school students and high school students, even students entering college who are watching this that are interested in thinking about manufacturing as a career, what advice would you give them?
Kids in school, especially middle school, cannot go wrong by taking math, algebra, and science. And if you like tinkering with things, you like fixing things or building all kind of projects, courses and activities involving machine shop, repair, or programs like Lego Robotics or Destination Imagination, I think are extremely important. And students should also take advantage of opportunities to visit manufacturing plants and also machine shops in places such as Worcester Tech or WPI, which have often state-of-the-art facilities. In high school, students should work with their advisors and guidance counselors to take, again, advanced math, calculus, science, and AP courses will definitely go a long way. College students should again work with their advisors and also focus on their specific interests and goals to set up a plan that will help meet their goals. I think what's often most critical for college students are also co-ops and internship opportunities during the summer, and some schools also have opportunities that are semester-long or year-long that are extremely invaluable, and I've heard great things from employers about them. For college students in particular, it's also important that they consider some new majors. Traditionally, folks who wanted to go into manufacturing looked at your mechanical engineering or electronics. But increasingly, you have majors that combine multiple fields, like biomedical engineering and others, that are extremely important for those who have very specific interests or specialized interests.
Ted, what would you tell adult career changers about where to go to get information about manufacturing careers?
As far as information for career changers or people looking to get into manufacturing, there are numerous sources to obtain this information. It contains the skills and the background that would be required as well. Like all things, an individual has to take the initiative to seek out the information and to really dig into their specific interests and opportunities that exist. For instance, various industry associations do publish and give a lot of information with respect to manufacturing careers and what's required in terms of skills and background. The National Manufacturing Extension Partnership that I'm part of offers good information on manufacturing careers and so forth as well. But I would recommend starting with local resources. For instance, our community college system, specifically Quinsigamond Community College, offers some good counseling and some good information on manufacturing careers, as they offer certificate programs and degree programs in manufacturing, so that they're a good source. Also, technical schools are a good source of information as well, and you could access this information through workforce development, and they can provide you a broad range of manufacturing career information as well. And not to forget to mention, a resource that's a very good one is the Central Mass Regional Employment Board has a career center. It's called Workforce Central, and they have offices in Worcester, Southbridge, and Milford. And they're an excellent resource for jobs and careers within manufacturing.
If someone's already in a manufacturing career and they want to do more, what would your advice to them be?
Well, Martha, the advice is pretty straightforward, actually. In general, people should be thinking primarily of upgrading their skills, of course. And specifically, I would recommend that individuals concentrate on math, concentrate on computer literacy, concentrate on communication skills, both written and verbal, and things like problem-solving skills. It's in demand because of the environment within manufacturing today relies on individuals to participate heavily in problem solving. And specific skills and training, such as training in CAD, which is computer-aided design, is valuable. It's in high demand, and manufacturers are seeking individuals with those skills. Training in PLCs, which are programmable logic controllers, is a high demand and a skill that's highly sought after in individuals. So those are areas that I would recommend people look into and perhaps pursue and follow up to upgrade their skills and become more valuable within the manufacturing community. And the sources of information mentioned earlier can provide a lot of information on these specific skills as well.
There are a lot of people who can give you information about careers in manufacturing. We've tried to provide some of that for you. Stay tuned for a list of websites and contact information so you can learn where to go to get your questions answered. Thank you for joining us today on Today's Manufacturing in Central Massachusetts.